Oh, Bob Billy.
Look at it.
Oh,
Hi, they're beautiful.
Billy.
Hi. Oh gosh, get her out of there.
Don't.
It's fine.
Okay, this here is your beautiful sister. And if you keep messing my video up by putting your hand in front of it, I'm going to whoop you.
Yeah, man. Don't do that.
I wasn't talking to her.
was. Don't wake me.
So, can I get some voice, child? What do you have to say today?
Hi.
Hi, what? Actually, what do you have to say to your sister today?
This is Candace, a news reporter. She's being really shy today, but this is very odd. Don't lick me.
That doesn't seem very shy if she licked you, news reporter.
She's not talking at all, so.
So who's the news reporter then? You or her?
Me.
She is? Okay,
Both.
what are you reporting on?
You are.
What are you reporting on today?
is.
She's
Tub, tub,
What are you
tub, tub,
reporting on
tub,
today?
tub.
She's reporting on a stolen vehicle. Hey, man. Hey, that was not cool.
What are you reporting on today? Excuse me, sir, you're gonna have to back out of the camera. We're gonna have you arrested. What is your report on today?
Our report is on a stolen vehicle.
What about it? Who is this guy in your video here? Is he with your crew?
No, we think he is a suspect who stole the vehicle.
Really? He looks like a
He did it.
suspect.
He did it.
He just looks suspect.
Put the handcuffs back on.
Go ahead and handcuff him. Cuff him up.
Let go, let go. He's violent. He's violent. No, he doesn't.
Yes, he did.
All right, that'll be enough. This report is over.
Ah!